Wherever you go, Dometic knows you will need a reliable way to keep your food fresh and beverages chilled. That is why we designed the Dometic DMC4101 10 cubic foot 12-volt DC compressor refrigerator. Designed for rugged mobile applications with sleek residential styling, this refrigerator fits in an 8 cubic foot cutout and brings a fresh new look to the RV kitchen suite. Thoughtfully designed stainless steel doors with tight radius corners, rolled edges, recessed side pocket latching handles, and an integrated airing feature for worry-free storage. Glass shelves, clear door bins, dual crisper drawers, and overhead LED illumination make this the most complete 12-volt DC-powered fridge on the market. Proper operation of your Dometic refrigerator will ensure years of trouble-free use. The refrigerator doors feature active latch handles to keep the doors secure during travel. Easy-to-use digital controls provide flexibility between performance and power consumption. Dometic's variable speed compressor technology is purpose-built for the RV industry with over-the-road durability and maximum efficiency. Press and hold the mode selection button to turn on the refrigerator. Be sure to cool the compartment 24 hours prior to adding food. Choose from 3 different modes of operation by pressing the mode button. In performance mode, the refrigerator works in auto status, with level 5 producing the coldest temperatures. For silent mode, choose one of the 3 lower temperature settings. And finally, in eco mode, the refrigerator works in auto status and only at temperature level 1, with a delayed defrost cycle to reduce power consumption and conserve battery life. Disengage both shelf locks to remove and reposition the glass shelves. Insert the tip of a flathead screwdriver between the left shelf lock and the refrigerator wall. Apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the liner wall. Then, using the screwdriver, gently slide the lock away from the liner. Proper care and maintenance of your Dometic refrigerator will extend its life and ensure your safety. Always disconnect the refrigerator from power before cleaning or servicing. There is an auto defrost feature to prevent you from ever having to manually defrost your refrigerator. Use a mild soap and water solution to clean interior and exterior surfaces, avoiding the use of abrasives or harsh chemicals. When the refrigerator is not in use, and to prevent mold, mildew, or unpleasant odors from developing, leave the door slightly open using the airing feature to prevent the door from closing. Prior to using your Dometic DMC4101, be sure to read the operating instructions. Now get out there and enjoy a weekend away without having to worry about keeping your food fresh and beverages chilled.